Qingdao HSN Bearing Company Limited is a comprehensive wholesaler and retailer focusing on large industrial bearings. We have professional bearing manufacturing cooperative factories as well as internationally advanced bearing testing equipment, can provide OEM and testing services. The main testing contents of our laboratory include material analysis, geometric dimension tolerance, axial and radial clearance, Leeb hardness, vibration and noise level, flaw detection, etc. For more than 30 years, HSN Group has been committed to providing various standard and non-standard bearings for steel mills, cement plants, mining, oil and gas, and other industries. We exported to over 50 countries including America, Australia, Mexico, Russia, South Africa, etc. In addition, our 7,000 square meters warehouse is always equipped with various hot-selling bearings, which greatly shortens the delivery cycle.